A dramatic escalation is unfolding as Hezbollah, Iran-backed group, they claims to have carried out 54 attacks in a single day, targeting military positions and border zones in Israel. Welcome to Times XP's War Report, and this is not just another exchange. Ladies and gentlemen, this is sustained pressure designed to stretch defenses and test their endurance. Sirens, they are now becoming a constant reality across northern Israel. In fact, reports suggest rocket fire is averaging one strike every 16 minutes, creating a relentless atmosphere of tension and uncertainty for both civilians and military forces. Also, the attacks, they are not really limited to just one method here. Hezbollah is using a combination of rocket, drone, artillery, indicating a very coordinated and multi-layered strategy this time. Well, this approach, it is aimed at overwhelming the defense systems and maintaining continuous pressure on Israeli position. In the meantime, Israeli media is now warning of a possible long war of attrition. Basically, a conflict not decided in days but stretched over weeks or even months. Hezbollah is reportedly sustaining a pace of nearly 100 rockets per day. Can you imagine that? Signaling that it has both the capability and intent to continue a prolonged operation. Now wait, another critical concern is the reported damage to the key radar and surveillance infrastructure, which could actually affect early warning system and response time. And at the very same time, shifting launch tactics, including the mobile platforms and varied launch sites, it is making it harder to predict or intercept the incoming threat. Ladies and gentlemen, this is no longer a limited border flare-up. The scale, the frequency, the coordination of these attacks suggest a broader strategy that could draw in more actors and expand the conflict far beyond the current lines. Well, with tensions already really high in the region, this escalation raises serious fear of wider and more intense regional war, where multiple fronts could open simultaneously, increasing risk for both military forces and the civilians.